Welcome back. I hope you are in high spirits. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is foreign key. Before we get into that, if I ask you a question, do we have only one table in a database? What would be your answer? Not really. We'll have more than one table in any database, right? Otherwise, there is no need to create the database itself. Database always have more than one table. So when we have more than one table, is there any way these tables are interconnected? Yes, they are. That is the reason we call this as a RDBMS, that is relational database management systems. So we understood a database would have multiple tables and in some way they are related. Now that we understood there are multiple tables in a database. You can see student table is there. You can see this is a course table. If there are multiple tables in a database, they should be connected in some way, right? How are they connected? That is where foreign key comes into picture. What is foreign key then? Foreign keys are the columns of a table that points to the primary key of another table. So foreign key establishes a relationship between the two tables. For example, if you say course table is there and we have a student table, these two tables need to be connected in some way, right? That is where foreign key comes into picture. Let us take this example and elaborate this further. So we have a student table. The student table has student ID, student name, student age, and student phone number. As we already understood, each table need to have a primary key, right? Student ID is the primary key of our student table. If you take a table called course, we do have a courses here. So now if I want to know what are the different courses taken by a Arjun, then student table has to refer to the course table. There should be some way to refer the number of courses taken by each student in the student table, right? That is where foreign key comes into picture. Primary key of student table has become a foreign key of course table. So this is connecting these two tables. That's clear, right? We understood the primary key of a one table would become a foreign key of another table. So foreign key must be of the same data type and length as the reference columns in the primary key. Let us say 1001 here, it should be same because we are making a primary key of one table, a foreign key of another table. So the foreign key should have a same data type. Like if it is int, this also should be int. If it is char, this also should be char. Not only of the data type, it should also have same length because we are trying to reference this table with the course table through foreign key. If there is any mismatch in the data type and the length, then it is an issue. So foreign key is must to establish the relationship between the two tables. And also columns in the foreign key may be nullable. There may be instance that foreign key may be nullable. Wonderful then. We understood what is foreign key and what is the importance of the foreign key. Thank you.